everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Kim Pond Crafts. I'm your girl, Kim Pond, and today is the day we're talking about baby projects that I have finished. So if you've been following along my YouTube shorts, you've seen from Knitvember, where I'm knitting every day in the good fight against cancer with the American Cancer Society. So if you go to my Facebook, I'll put a description below. You can donate some money. Any bit is helpful and appreciated. But in there, I have been knitting a baby blanket for my best friend's soon-to-be child. And I finally finished the baby blanket. I'm really happy with how it came out. And there's another side project that I didn't show you, but I'm about to, and we'll talk about it. So let's do the baby blanket first because I'm really proud of it. Also, I'll have you know that I'm leaving in 2 short hours, and I finished everything last night. I finished the baby blanket yesterday morning, and then I had to do work all day and yada yada yada. And then I finished everything last night, but it's all done. I feel great. I'm packed. We're ready. I was like, I just have to film this now because I'm not gonna have this in my hands anymore after today. So let's get to the baby blanket. This is the super easy baby blanket from Purl Soho. It's really a color blocked, garter stitched blanket. And it was so simple, but when it was like folded up, like in all the photos, I was like, wow. You know what I mean? Like, it was really for me about the colors more than anything. They are having a boy. Their child's room is already painted blue, and they have a lot of like bear accents and plains and stuff like that. But here is the finished blanket. I hope you can see it all. I'm sorry for the camera change. I just wanted you to be able to see the entire baby blanket. Here it is. I don't know, can you see it all? Maybe if I hold it this way, you'll be able to see it better. There we go, there we go. Oh, and the little guy is gonna be so loved and wrapped up in a little burrito. The way that Purl Soho advertises they had color kits, I really wanted to make sure that the yarn was acrylic and washable because babies, they'd be spittling, they'd be pooping, they'd be peeing everywhere. So I'm gonna list all the colors just on the screen because I can't remember them all by heart, but they're gonna pop up like boop, 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 boop. There's 7 of them. So you knit each color for 5 1/4 inch. You bind, I think you cast on like 130 or something. Size 5 needles, worsted weight, DK weight. It's all good. But I really like the colors, and I went with my dance friends to pick out the yarn. They helped me choose colors for this. So I'm excited about this. So I love me my Cricut, okay? I love me my Cricut. And I had this idea that I did for my cousin's kid, Robin. I made her own little baby logo with her name. Her name's Robin, so it's a little bird branch and a little burb. And I put on a cardigan for her and I ironed it on with my Cricut. And I thought I would do the same thing with my friend's kid. And I bought a bunch of baby onesies and I decided to do one for his name. Baby's name is Jet. And I did like a little like airplane and like little like zoomies coming out of it with his name. I was so excited and I like loved the design of this on the Cricut. But the vinyl that I had to use, my heat transfer vinyl, was awful. Awful. In fact, I'm gonna show it. Garbage. Make market. Do not buy. Do not buy this crap. It's a waste of your money. It's a waste of your time. Do not buy it. No, 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 no. Back in the trash. I can't stand it. It doesn't work. I literally ironed for like 3 hours last night. My husband helped me. I did not cry about it because there's so much else going on in my life right now that is worth crying over rather than that. But had I not had a bajillion other things going on in my life, that would have been a tear. And so I'll show you the fail. It did not iron onto this first one. And in fact, burnt the baby onesie. Discolored it completely. left like an open space where the vinyl was, and only one little piece stayed on. This one little tiny piece stayed on. And I'm not giving this to her. I'm not giving her a piece of burnt fabric, but I will leave it in my house just in case somebody comes along with their newborn child to my house. I have an extra baby onesie if they like vomit or something. So that was the project. It ended up being a really hard time sticking with my heat press, which I love my heat press. It's gotten me through a lot of stuff and a lot of projects without burning anything. So I just feel like, I don't know if it was the fabric in tandem with that terrible vinyl, because I've used that vinyl before and it was also equally awful before. And I don't know, maybe I thought because it was cotton it would be different this time. It was not different this time, and I hated it. And I ended up having to like go through this and paint on it, like use fabric paint on it. I'm actually really disappointed with how this turned out, to be honest. I'm still gonna give it to her because the baby's gonna be fitting this for like 3 months, and then I can always just do another one with like better vinyl. And that's sort of what I plan to do. So I'll show you at some point the better version of this. It was supposed to be so much cuter than it turned out to be, and cleaner, but you know what? We learned our lesson. That vinyl is not welcome in my home and should not be welcome in your home. And what's it called? You know what? Doesn't matter. That garbage heat transfer vinyl doesn't belong in anyone's home. There, I said it. I don't care. So that is everything I made for my best friend's soon-to-be child for the baby shower. That's tomorrow. I'm very excited. I'm excited that you get to see it, and hopefully I'll have some clips of them opening up their gifts. You can see the reaction. And yeah.
So nice. It's crazy to like see things, like to see it say like mom and dad, and you're like, and I'm like, oh, here's your card, and I'm like, it's not for me, you know.
A baby is a dream come true. When you're waiting for a new baby to arrive, it's so exciting to think about this brand new person and all the amazing times you're going to share as a family. You dream, you plan, you prepare. Then you finally see that little face, kiss that sweet baby cheek, and hold the tiniest hand in yours. And just like that, the dream you held in your heart becomes the dream you hold in your arms.
That's so sweet.
And then I wrote a personal little message for you guys.
Yeah. Yes, Jen is already very loved. That's so nice. Thanks, Kim. And Nolan.
There's like multiple things in there.
So we've got, the invisible string, which is this book is to remind you that no matter
Where we are, Aunt Kim and Uncle Dolan love you, and our invisible string can be reached from wherever we all are. You are so loved. You guys should just also read that book just for yourselves, because it's like my favorite children's book. The Invisible String.
Aww, that's so cute. That's adorable.
Little pocket.
This little pocket.
You could put shells in there. Rocks.
Did you knit this?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
This is a baby blanket.
Oh my. Who made that? You did.
Kim knit this for us.
Beautiful. Wow.
Those colors are
Perfect. Oh,
Thank you, Kim.
what a talented gift. That's so
Love you.
Love you.
It's perfect.
Oh, I'm fine. Everything's fine.
And there's one more in there.
I know.
You're never going to need another baby shower gift bag ever.
Yeah. Aww.
Oh.
It says Jeff.
Oh,
I designed his own. He's got his own little branded logo.
That's awesome.
He has his branded logo. Because it's Orion, like, hits constellations. Hi, boy. Don't mind me, I'm just sobbing at my gift time. This is incredible. Love you to the moon and back. Isn't that cute, Mama? Look, it's constellations.
Thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed what you saw, please leave me a comment, a thumbs up, subscribe. And if not, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.